أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي زدني علما ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
I see Sadia is also in now. So let's begin. Go to kahoot.it. Use game plan 670727. Continue recording. So let's begin. First question. The Muslims entered into the masjid. Blue, al-Muslimuna dakhalu fil masjidi. Red, al-Muslimu dakhala fil masjidi. Orange, al-Muslimuna dakhala fil masjidi. Three seconds to go. Okay, the answer is Al-Muslimuna dakhalu fil masjidi. Orange is Al-Muslimuna dakhala fil masjidi. What is wrong with the orange answer? Sorry, Adnan?
Dakhala is he entered.
Correct. Dakhala is he entered. Dakhala is singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. So either you can say Al-Muslimuna dakhalu, which is the blue option, or you can put the verb in front. You can start with the verb. In that case, it will be dakhala al-Muslimuna. So for dakhala to be correct, it has to be the first word. The sentence has to start with dakhala. Only then orange would be correct. Now, question to you guys. How would we say the Muslim women entered into the masjid? Assuming it is all female.
Muslimatun?
Yes, so it will be al-Muslimatu. If you put the verb at the starting, what will happen to dakhala? Will we say dakhala al-Muslimatu? Sadia, what will happen to dakhala? Will it be dakhala al... come again?
Dakhalu.
Dakhalu would be for masculine plural. And in fact, dakhalu will not come when you put it at the starting. How do we say she entered?
Dakhalat.
Dakhalat. So male is dakhala, female would be dakhalat. Dakhalat al-Muslimatu fil masjidi. Okay, so dakhala will become dakhalat. Dakhala is he entered. What is dakhalat? Dakhalat is she entered. She entered. Singular, female. This Kahoot where you see the questions, was it easier or was the old one easier? Yes, sir.
Sakit Chacha, I'm trying to join with my laptop, but it says get ready, you'll be able to join soon.
Your laptop is very old, Zahan. Maybe I should use the phone. Because there are a lot of movements, you see the timer, etc. There are more graphics in this version. So you should switch to using the phone.
Or maybe you've pressed the lock. So nobody is able to join.
It's all open. I don't think I've logged. I think you can still join. Okay, quickly, Zahan. Do you want to try using the phone or shall I continue?
Just
Sorry, Zahan?
2 seconds.
Quickly. So you have the game pin on WhatsApp and it's here as well. It's 670727. So 10 more seconds and we go to next question. Are you there, Sadia? Have you woken up? Has this question managed to wake you up? Okay, looks like Sadia is awake. She's answered correct.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Very good, Adnan. You also got this answer correct. Okay, we'll go next question. Zahan, catch up in parallel. Second question. This car is from America. Blue, هؤلاء السيارة من أمريكا. Red, هذا السيارة من أمريكا. Orange, هذه السيارة من أمريكا. Two seconds to go. Very good. So the answer is هذه السيارة من أمريكا. سيارة is masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. It has tamarbuta. Most ending with tamarbuta are feminine. There are some exceptions. Can someone give me an exception for a word which ends with tamarbuta but it is not feminine? What is
Fruits.
fruits? So
Fakihatu.
fakihatun is fruit. Fawaki
Fawakihatun.
is fruits, but fakihatun I think is feminine. Let me see. I go to Google Translate, and if I say this is a fruit, hadihi fakihatun. So fakihatun, fruit is feminine, and it ends with tamarbuta. So fruit is in fact tamarbuta and it's feminine. What is fata?
Open.
Open is fataha. Fataha is he opened. He opened is fataha. What is fatah? Al fatah dakhala fi al fasli. What is al fasli?
Firstly is class.
Class. So al fatah dakhala fil fasli.
The young man.
The young man. What is plural of fatah? Sadia or Zahan? What is plural of fatah? We have seen this few times. Plural of fatah is, how do you say the young men?
Fityatun.
Fityatun. So fityatun is young men, but what does it end with? It ends with tamarbuta. So if you have to say the young men entered, you will say al fityatu, and what would be the verb? How do we say they entered? You need to answer, guys. You will not alone unless you try things and unless you try to answer by yourself. If you just see and listen, you're going to learn very slow. The fast way of learning is you're going to try and you're going to make mistakes where you don't know.
Dakhalu.
Dakhalu. So al fityatu dakhalu fil masjidi. So al fityatu, is it masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Because it is young men. And how do you say the young women? The young woman would be fatatun. So the young woman would be Al-fatatun. Al-fatatu would be young woman. How do you say the young women? It will be al-fatayatun. It will be fatayatun or al-fatayatu. So that is young women. Okay, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can. You have to share the screen, Amma.
Okay, I just went out, so let me start sharing again. Okay, so what is al-fatatu? Sadia, what is al-fatatu?
Plural of female.
Again?
Plural of female.
Plural is
The young
al-fatayatu.
women.
Al-fatatu is still singular, it is female. So al-fata is young man. Al-fatatu is young woman. Fatayatu with the ya is the plural. So al-fatayatu is young women. Nice. So here sayaratu, is sayaratu masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. It follows the general rule that most of the words, almost everything, almost every noun that comes with ta marbuta ending is mostly going to be feminine, and sayaratu is in the same category. So Adnan got this wrong. Zahan, very good. You got this
Safika, you
correct.
can remove the other Zahan.
I don't see it, Zahan. It's at the bottom. So I can't remove you now from my screen, but we'll tally scores. Or the other one is 0, so we'll let it be there.
That is 0.
It's okay. So we'll let it be there because I can only see 5 here. I can only see the top 5. Okay. So let's continue. Next question. Muslims came to my house. Blue. Ja'ul muslimuna ila baiti. Red. Ja'al muslimuna ila baiti. Orange. Ja'al muslimu ila baiti. Very good. Muslims came to my house is Ja'al muslimuna ila baiti. Why is it not blue? Why is it not Ja'u al muslimuna ila baiti?
If it comes in the verb comes in the beginning, it will be ja'a. Noma?
Correct. So the verb comes at the starting, it's going to be singular. So Ja'a would be for masculine. How will we say the Muslim women came to my house if it is all female?
Ja'at.
Ja'at. So it becomes Ja'at al muslimatu ila baiti. So it becomes Ja'at and Ja'at al. So you have two sukuns, so it becomes Ja'atil muslimatu ila baiti. So Ja'a becomes Ja'at if it is all female. If it is even one male, if it is general Muslims, it stays Ja'a. Very good. All correct. Rahil auntie is on top. Sadia second. Zahan, very good. From the second question, when you caught up, you have started giving correct answers. And Adnan, very good. You also got this answer correct. Next question. Bonus question, double points. Yes, we went and we returned. Blue, Naam, Nadhabu wa tarji'u. Red, Naam, Dahabna wa raja'na. Orange, Naam, Dahabtu wa raja'tu. Okay, we only got 4 answers this time. What is the difference between... Okay, so what is Dahabtu? What is orange? Sorry, Adnan?
I didn't see the time. I was just seeing the questions.
Okay, so Adnan was trying to get the correct answer. It's okay, Adnan. So what is Dahabtu, Adnan? What is Amantu? Dahabtu is like Amantu. Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rasulihi. Minallahi ta'ala wal basi badal maut. So what is amantu?
Amantu is I believe.
I believed. So question to Adnan now. What is dhahabtu?
I went.
I went. Very good. Now the confusion can be between blue and red. So what is nadhabu and what is dhahabna? Both come from dhahaba. So you see dhahaba in red, and you also see the ha, dal, ha, and ba also in blue. So what's the difference between nadhabu and dhahabna?
Zahabna is past tense.
Very good. Dhahabna is past tense. It becomes changes to dhahaba. Dhahaba becomes dhahabna. It is the change to the back of the verb. So back of the verb is like a car which is already gone. It is past tense. Dhahabna is we went. What is nadhabu? Nadhabu is we go. So if you want to say that, look, we go to the school and we return back by afternoon, you would say nadhabu for habitual. But here it is we went and we return. So it will be red. It will be dhahabna wa rajana. Okay, Sadia got this wrong. Zahan, very good. Zahan is up. Anil Aunty is also doing well. Anil Aunty is number 3. Let's continue. Question 5. Where is your new house? Blue, Aina baitukumul jadidu. Red, Aina baitukumul jadidatu. Orange, Aina baitukumul jududu. Okay, answer is Aina baitukumul jadidu. That is correct. What is the issue with jadidatu? What is wrong with Aina baitukumul jadidatu? Bait, is it masculine or feminine? Bait is house. Baitun is masculine. You say hata baitun, or you say hata baiti. This is my house. Baitun is masculine, so you will say al jadidu. Al jadidu will match with baitu. Baitu is masculine, so al jadidu will stay masculine. Now, in what cases will you say al jadidatu? And this is a question which you will get as a bonus double point question. So, where will you use jadidatu?
When the noun is feminine, we'll use feminine adjective.
Correct. So, if you had to say sayaratu, aina sayaratu kumul jadidatu. So, sayara is feminine, so you'll use jadidatu. What is another case where you would use feminine? What is another masculine case where actually you'll treat it as she? You would say she is houses, she is mountains, she is books. So what is this case? Plural.
Non-living, Noma.
Correct. So if it is non-living or non-intelligent plural, like books.
Non-human.
Correct. Like houses, you will not treat it as they. They is reserved only for humans or only for intellectual beings. So if it is non-intellectual plural, you will actually use jadidatu because you will treat it as she. That's a case where you will use still jadidatu, although it is a masculine singular being converted to plural. Here it is just masculine singular, so you'll use al jadidu. So correct answer is blue.
Sakib Chacha, I came out of Kahoot by mistake, so
It's
we'll
okay.
tell the school
Use
to-
another name, Zahan, and we'll add up at the end. 3587, almost 3600, and we'll add up at the end. Okay, Anil Aunty has 4 correct answers out of 5. I'm not sure if Sadia got this right or wrong. Did you get this right, Sadia?
Hey, my government.
Okay, come quickly, Adnan. We'll go next question. Question 6. In which class did you sit? This is from the last lesson. Blue, Fi ayya faslin jalasta, right? Fi ayyu faslin jalasta. Orange, fi ayyi faslin jalasta. Blue is ayya with fatha, red is ayyu with dhamma, orange is ayyi with kasra. Okay, it is fi ayyi faslin jalasta. Red is very wrong because after fi, what will you put? Will you put dhamma, fatha or kasra? Kasra. Because of
Kasra.
fi, it will be ayyi. Okay, but if there's no fi, you still have a verb. Jalasta. So you sat in which class? So in fi makes ayya into ayyi. If there's no fi, it will be ayya because it is detail of jalasta. It is detail of sat. So you sat straight, for example. Okay. So where it's detail, it will be fatha. So it cannot be ayyu. It has to be either ayya. If there was no fi, it will be ayya. For example, which student sat? It will be ayya talibin jalasta. It cannot be ayyu because there's a verb. This is the detail of the verb. Okay, Rahil aunty, Zahan wrong. Anil aunty is up. Anil aunty is
Mine is right, but
okay.
I
Zahan,
cannot.
you have another ID.
Akabhai, you have to add up my scores. The fifth one, and I'm again going.
Okay, so Zahan is 3600, Adnan is 2000, and we'll add up at the end, inshallah. Okay, next question. Anil aunty, very well done. Anil aunty is number one. Bonus question, double points. What are the names of your children? Blue, ma asma'u awladika. Red, ma ismu awladika. Orange, ma asma'u awladi.
Satikacha, your screen is lagging,
Okay, then listen to the answer.
but still
Yes.
I'm able to do it.
Okay, good. Your Kahoot screen should have the questions and the answers. So you can use your Kahoot.
Yes, sir.
What are the names of your children is ma asma'u awladika. What is ma ismu awladika? What's the issue with this sentence?
Singular.
Singular. So ma ismu awladika means what is the name of your children? It means that all of your children have the same name. But if you want to say what are the names, you have to use asma'u. Okay, Anil aunty got this wrong. So Anil aunty is number 3. Rahil aunty is number 1. Sadia, very good, number 2. Zahan, we have to add up scores. Adnan got this answer
Akabhai,
correct.
I will be in the third one.
Actually, very good because Adnan will be 4, 3, 4, 5. So Adnan, very good. Adnan is number 3. And Zahan, I do not know your latest score, but we'll add up at the end. Okay. Next question. Bonus question again, double points. So pay attention. Are they your sisters? Blue, akhawatuki hunna. Red, ikhwatuki hum. Orange, ikhwatuki hunna. Okay, we only got one correct. So I managed to trap you guys. Let's see who got this correct. And we'll then come to why this is the answer. So only Rahil aunty got this correct. Okay. How do we say brother? And how do we say sister? For example, if I had to say Adnan is my brother, Sadia is my sister, how would I say this? So question to Sadia and Adnan. Adnan, how will I say Adnan is my brother? I will say Adnanu How do I say my brother?
Ikhwatu.
Ikhwatu is brothers. So I would say Adnanu Akhi. So if you want to say my brother, okay, so if Adnan is, for example, speaking to Zahan, or Adnan is speaking to me, and I say, oh my brother, like, please tell me the answer. Okay, so he'll say, Ya Akhi, and the rest. So Ya Akhi is something you would say that, oh my brother. Now, how will Sadia, question to you is, how will I say Sadia is my sister? So I'll say Sadia first. How do I say she is my sister?
Ikhwatuki.
Again?
Ikhwatuki.
Ikhwatuki.
Ukhti.
Ikhwatuki. Ikhwatuki is again plural. Is actually ikhwatun is brothers. So I'll put this here. So akhun, plural of akhun, and akhi comes from akhun. This is akhi, akhun. Plural of akhun is ikhwatun. Ikhwatun. This is actually ta marbuta again. So ikhwatun is another word which is brothers, like fityatun. Ikhwatun is similar. It has ta marbuta, but it's actually masculine because it is brothers. So ikhwatun is brothers. Now Sadia, it is not ikhwati. So what is it going to be? How do I say my sister? What is akh? Akhun is brother. How do we say sister?
Ikhwatu.
Again?
Ikhwatu.
No, ikhwatu is brothers.
Akhwatu.
Akhwati.
Ukhti.
Ukhti. So
It is
feminine
akhwatu.
of akhun is ukhtun. It becomes ukhti. Now we know plural of akhun is ikhwatun. Now what is plural of ukht? Ukhtun. Ukhtun is
Akhwatun. Akhwatun.
akhawatun. So this is ukhtun. Okay, so this is normal ta. Okay, plural of ukhtun is akhawatun. Okay, now question to you guys. What is sayaratun? What is sayaratun, Zahan?
Car.
Car. Did you wash your car today, Zahan?
I'll wash it in the afternoon.
You'll wash it in the afternoon. So I heard Zahan washes his car every holiday. What is plural of sayaratun? What is plural of sayaratun? What is plural of muslimatun? This is an easy question, guys.
Muslimuna.
Again,
Sayaratuna.
sayaratuna would be masculine. Sayaratun is feminine.
Matun.
Muslimatun. So muslimun becomes muslimuna. Salihun becomes salihuna. That is masculine. Sayaratun is feminine. Muslimatun is also feminine. So Nahid aunty gave the correct answer. What is plural of muslimatun?
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun. So where you see atun or atin with an alif, it is going to be female plural. So what is plural of sayaratun?
Sayaratun.
Sayaratun. Okay, so where you see atun, it's mostly feminine plural. Akhawatun has atun. It's of the same pattern. So you can say that it is most likely going to be female plural. And in fact, here it is female plural. Versus, how do we say brothers? How do we say brothers?
Ikhwanun.
Ikhwatun or ikhwanun? Ikhwanun is also brothers. Ikhwanun is also brothers. This is an irregular plural. Like Muslimun becomes Muslimuna, but Akhun does not become Akhuna. It becomes Ikhwatun or Ikhwanun. Then irregular plural. Okay. But the Atun is feminine plural. So Akhawatun, Sayaratun, Muslimatun, these are all feminine plurals. Very good. So only Rahil auntie got this correct. We'll go next question. The students went to the restaurant. Blue, ذهبوا الطلاب إلى المطعم. Red, ذهبت الطلاب إلى المطعم. Orange, ذهب الطلاب إلى المطعم. Okay, this is another question where only one person got it correct. So people are losing focus. So it cannot be ذهبوا because the verb is at the starting. So it has to become ذهب الطلاب إلى المطعم. If I put at-tullabu first, then how will I say the students went to the restaurant with at-tullabu first?
Bizahabu.
Very good. So blue would be correct if I said at-tullabu dhahabu ila al-mat'ami. But where I put the verb first, it has to be dhahaba. So it is dhahabat tullabu ila al-mat'ami, which is orange, or blue has to be flipped over. It has to be at-tullabu dhahabu ila al-mat'ami. Only one correct. Okay, Rahil auntie got this correct. Sadia, Zahan, Anil auntie, Adnan, losing focus. Pay attention, guys. Only 20 more minutes to go. Next question. Which language do you like? Blue, ayyi lugatin tuhibbu. Red, ayyu lugatin tuhibbu. Orange, ayya lugatin tuhibbu. Blue is ayyi with kasra. Red is ayyu with dhamma. Orange is ayya with fatha. Okay, now no one got it correct. You said ayyu lugatin tuhibbu. Why is it not red? Because you have a verb. So you like which language? This is detail. The subject is you. So you like. You are the one doing the liking. So you is subject. Liking is the verb. Now, which language is detail? So where it is detail, which is going to be ayya. We saw earlier. How will we say which student sat? How will we say which student? Which student sat in the first row, for example? How will we say which student? Sat is verb. So which student is detail of the verb?
I only should come in Safir.
It will be ayya. Ayya talibin jalasa.
Student.
In the first row. So it has to be ayya. So here, ayya lugatin tuhibbu, which language do you like? So it has to be ayya. It will not be ayyu. Okay, so no one got this correct. Pay attention. Go next question. Man, whom? You have to answer this question saying they are teachers. Blue, hum mudarrisatun. Red, huwa mudarrisuna. Orange, hum mudarrisuna. Very good. 3 people got the answer correct. So man whom? What is man whom? What is man?
Who?
Who? Who are they? They are teachers. They are teachers is whom? Mudarrisuna. Okay, Rahil auntie, Sadia and Anil auntie got this correct. Looks like Zahan is out of form and Adnan is also getting it wrong. Focus guys. Next question. Double points, so pay more attention. Where are your new houses? Blue, Aina buyutukum al-jadidu. Red, Aina buyutukum al-jududu. Orange, Aina buyutukum al-jadidatu. Okay, only 2 correct. This is a question I told you that this was coming. So where are your houses? Houses is buyutun. Your houses is buyutukum. And houses is masculine or feminine. Houses plural. You'll treat it as she because it is non-human or it is non-intelligent plural. So with buyutun, you will use al-jadidatu. You'll say she is new houses. That is how you would say it. So buyutukum will go with al-jadidatu.
Jududu, when will you use sahib? Jududu.
With human or intelligent plural. For example, how will you say these are new students?
No, jadidu and jududu.
How will we say these are new students?
What is the difference? Plural of a thing.
Yes. So how will we say these are new students?
These are.
So how will we say these?
Aina.
Haulai. So
Kullabun, jududun.
So you'll say haulai tulabun
Jududun.
jududun.
Okay. There's a
So
kind of.
tulabun is students. Students are intelligent beings. So here you'll use jududun. But with cars you will not use jududun. You'll use jadidatun.
Jadidu is singular, jududu is plural. Like that's sahib.
Correct. So jadidun is singular, jududun is plural. Okay, Rahil auntie is first, Sadia second, Anil auntie third. I think Anil auntie got this correct. Zahan and Adnan are number 4, number 5. We go next question. Who is that young man in your car? Blue, man tilkal fata allati fi sayyaratikum. Red, man dalikal fata allati fi sayyaratikum. Orange, man ulaikal fata allati fi sayyaratikum. The question is it tilka, dalika or ulaika? Okay, it is that, so it is dalika. What is tilka?
Feminine.
That feminine. So who is or what is that car? For car is feminine, you will use tilka. And what is ulaika?
These. Plural.
These is
Those.
haulai.
Those.
So haulai is something close. These pens, these houses. Ulaika is something far. So those houses, those pens, for something far you use ulaika. Okay, Rahil auntie got this correct. Anil auntie got this correct. Sadia got this wrong. Focus guys. Next question. Bonus points, double points. Who are those ladies? Blue, man hadihi.
Kahoot again. Wait.
Okay, come back in quickly, Adnan. Red, man ulaikan nisa'u. Orange, man haula'in nisa'u. Who are those ladies? Is it hadihi, blue, ulaika, red, or haula'i orange? Who are those ladies is man ulaikan nisa'u. We saw this just in the previous question, guys. What is haula'i?
These. No,
These. So hada, hadihi, haula'i is all for something close by. It's all these. This is hada, hadihi, haula'i. But something far is dalika, tilka, ulaika. So ulaika is those. If it is these, it is going to be haula'i. So ulaika is those. The correct answer is right. Man haula'in nisa'u, who are those ladies? Okay, only Rahil auntie got this correct. Next question. Bonus question, again double points. So now start paying attention. The students went to the restaurant. Easy question. Blue, at-tullabu dhahabu ila al-mat'ami. Red, at-tullabu dhahaba ila al-mat'ami. Orange, at-tullabu dhahabat ila al-mat'ami. Okay, again, very few correct answers, guys. This is something we saw. We saw earlier that it's either dhahabat tullabu ila al-mat'ami or at-tullabu dhahabu ila al-mat'ami. Earlier we saw this case. Now the same question with the now at the starting. Why is it not orange? What is wrong with orange? Orange has a lot of issues. So one issue with orange is that at-tullabu is masculine plural. At-talibatu is feminine. Dhahabat is feminine. So dhahabat cannot go with at-tullabu. That is the first mistake. Second is when the verb comes second, it has to become plural. So orange, actually you're making two mistakes if you go orange. The correct answer is blue. Okay, Rahil auntie and Sadia, correct answer. Well done. Next question. Bonus question, again double points. My friends are teachers in school. Blue, sadiqati mudarrisuna fil madrasati. Red, asdiqai mudarrisuna fil madrasati. Orange, sadiqati mudarrisina fil madrasati. Okay, looks like we already have 5 answers. Is there anyone who's missing the answer? Otherwise, I'll skip. I'll go to the next question.
Skip.
Okay. So my friends are teachers in school. It is asdiqai mudarrisuna fil madrasati. Why is it not sadiqati?
Plural of sadiq is asdiqai.
Asdiqai. And what is sadiqati?
It's feminine plural, so mudarrisuna doesn't suit it.
Correct. So mudarrisuna, mudarrisina are masculine. Sadiqati, remember? What is the pattern for feminine plural? Pattern for feminine plural is atun or atin. If I put a ya, okay, it becomes a ti. Sayyarati would be my cars. Okay, sayyaratun would be cars. So if you see atun or at followed by ya or ka or u, it is feminine. So this is feminine, this is masculine, it does not fit. Both have to agree. So asdiqai mudarrisuna. My friends are teachers. So my friends and teachers have to be same gender. Asdiqai is the only masculine here. So it is asdiqai mudarrisuna fil madrasati. Okay, Rahil auntie, Sadia, Anil auntie, very good. You got it correct. Zahan, Adnan are losing focus. Come on, guys, pay attention. We go next question. These are hardworking female students. Blue, هذه طلاب مجتهدون. Red, هؤلاء طلاب مجتهدون. Orange, هؤلاء طالبات مجتهدات. Correct answer is هؤلاء طالبات مجتهدات. Female students is طالبات. In Arabic, the adjective comes later. So you will say these are female students hardworking. So طالبات is female students. Mujtahidatun is hardworking feminine plural. So this is atun because it is female students. So just the atun rule would get you the correct answer. Okay, Sadia, wrong answer. So Rahil auntie correct, Anil auntie correct, and either Zahan or Adnan. One of you got it correct. Maybe it's Zahan. Rahil auntie has a streak of 5 correct answers. Very good. Next question. They are from India. Easy question. Blue, هذه من الهندي. Red, هم من الهندي. Orange, هو من الهندي. They are from India is hum minal Hindi. Okay, so Zahan got this correct. Only Adnan.
Chacha, you can remove Zahan 100.
I'll lose your points, Zahan. So let it be there. So Zahan is still number 3. Even adding both of these scores. Okay. Next question.
I'm in the third device.
Okay. Where is Adnan and his friends? He's in the class. Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhu. Red, Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uha. Orange, Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhum. Answer is Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhu. How do we say his friends?
Wasdiqa'uhu.
Asdiqa'uhu. How do we say what is his name? How do you say what is his name?
Ma ismuhu.
Very good. Ma ismuhu, or you'll actually merge the ism, the hamza gets dropped if it comes as not the first word. So it becomes masmuhu. So who means his. So Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhu, where is Adnan and his friends? So it looks like Adnan did not get this answer correct. Or maybe he did. So Rahil auntie, Sadia, Zahan got this answer correct. Adnan, I'm not sure. Maybe he got it correct. Next question. Bonus question, double points. My female Muslim friends came home. Blue, جاءت صديقاتي المسلمات إلى البيت. Red, جاءوا صديقاتي المسلمات إلى البيت. Orange, جاء صديقاتي المسلمات إلى البيت. Very good. 4 people correct. So it is جاءت صديقاتي المسلمات إلى البيت. We are talking about female Muslim friends. When it is female and the verb comes at the starting, it becomes جاءت. It will be جاءت, ذهبت, قرأت, كتبت. It has to end with the ta, with a sukun. That's how you have past tense, feminine, singular. Very good. 4 correct. Okay, so looks like only Adnan got this wrong. Rahil auntie, Sadia, Anil auntie, Zahan, correct. Adnan is very close. Just close battle for number 3, number 4. So we'll do a few more minutes and then we close. Next question. When is your exam? Here you need to think. Blue, Aina ikhbarukunna. Red, Mata ikhbarukunna. Orange, Kam ikhbarukunna. Orange is come. How do you say when? Is the question. Very good. It is Mata ikhbarukunna. What is Aina?
Aina is where?
Aina is where. What is come?
Kum.
This actually come. So come is used for a question, but what is come?
Who?
No. Come is, let me give an example. Come is something we've seen in Arabiyatu and Baina Yatai, third lesson. So we saw come, Taliban.
How many students?
Very good. Fi al-Fasli. How will we say how many pens are in the bag? In the bag is Fi al-Haqibati. How will we say how many pens? How do we say how many pens? And we saw another example. We saw
Kam khalamun.
after come you will have
Qalamun.
like Taliban. So it becomes come qalaman. Becomes come qalaman. So we'll have an after come. That's the rule of come. And we saw how many floors are there in this building. So we saw come Dauran fi hatihi shakkati. Come Dauran is how many floors. So after come, we will have an. That's the rule of come. If you have a noun after come, it's going to be an. So come Taliban, come Qalaman, come Dauran. So come is how many? But here it is when is Mata. Okay, one last question and then we close. Okay, so Satya got this answer wrong. Zahan got this answer correct. So Zahan is actually around 9,400. So Zahan is number 4 and very close. So let's go next question. Bonus question, double points. We went to the market today. Blue, يذهبون إلى السوق اليوم. Red, ذهبنا إلى السوق اليوم. Green, نذهب إلى السوق اليوم. Orange, ذهبوا إلى السوق اليوم. We went is ذهبنا. So it has to be ذهبنا إلى السوق اليوم. How do we say we go to the market? We go to the market every day. Or we go to the market in the morning. How do we say we go? Present tense.
يذهب صحيح.
Yadhabu is he goes. He is yadhabu.
يذهب.
Nadhabu. Nadhabu.
Nasabu ila suqi.
Nadhabu ila suqi. So this is present tense, present tense. You take yadhabu, you change the front of the verb. So nadhabu, adhabu. Adhabu is I go. Nadhabu is we go. From nahnu. So green is present tense. Orange, dhahabu is they went. But we went is dhahabna. So let's see the podium. Give me 1 second.
Sorry, Pacha, why don't we do the entire quiz?
We are out of time. So we'll
It's
do
only
the remaining
1:30
questions
now.
tomorrow, inshallah. So let's see the podium. Zahan, we have to reconcile your score. So you're either number 3 or number 4. You're very close. So we'll see that later. So as per this, Anil Aunty is number 3. Very well done. Sadia is number 2. And Rahil Aunty is number 1. Very well done. Everyone has a few mistakes. What is your total score, Zahan? Or what is your current score?
7738
7738.
plus 3600.
Okay, so you're actually number 3. Good. Now we'll fill quick feedback, guys. So in your Kahoot, you will get a feedback. Let me know if you can see it. So you need to give quick feedback just for me to plan the upcoming Kahoots. Do you see the feedback? Okay, so everyone likes the Kahoot. So the game rating 5, learning outcomes, everyone has learned new things, everyone recommends, and everyone is feeling good. No, someone is not feeling very good. So someone who hasn't done the quiz well.
Maybe it's Adnan.
Okay, majority of you like it. So we'll continue this way. If you have any suggestions, let me know on WhatsApp. Okay, so let me know 1-to-1 on your suggestions, and inshallah we'll take it and try to make this more useful for you guys.
The problem is that buttons are very small, so I touch something else and something else gets touched.
Yeah, because now we have the questions also on the screen. Is it helpful to have the questions on the screen or no? We just have 4 big buttons on the screen.
Yeah,
Both
very,
are the
very,
same.
very
Both are
helpful.
the same.
Okay, so we'll continue having the questions on the screen so that you don't have to switch between Zoom and Kahoot. You can just stay on Kahoot and you can get everything. So we'll stay with this and we'll see how it goes. With that, we'll close. We'll meet each other tomorrow, inshallah. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik wa ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma salama. Take care and stay safe.
Jazakallah khair, ma.
Wa yakum.